Okay, everyone, today I want to show you a really useful AI tool, especially if you are new to AI creation and just starting your journey. Many large platforms, such as OpenArt, offer a huge number of tools, which can feel overwhelming at the beginning. The tool I want to introduce today is Abacus AI. It's a very solid platform, easy to use, and offers a wide range of features. I'll show you some examples of my work. I've already used most of my credits, but you'll still get a clear idea of how it works. I normally work in OpenArt and have a yearly subscription there. However, when I run out of credits, I switch to Abacus to continue some of my work. I also use Abacus regularly for chat-based tasks, as they are quick to add the newest models. Abacus offers multiple model options, including GPT 5.2 Pro, Mini, and 4.1. Older models use fewer credits, which is useful if you want to work efficiently. The basic plan costs only $10 per month, which is excellent value with 20,000 credits. There is also a Pro plan starting at around $20. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you choose to sign up using it, I'll receive a small bonus. Thank you for your support. I'll continue sharing practical tips and tools like this. One of the strengths of Abacus is the variety of models available. You can work with chat, images, and uploads, but today we'll focus specifically on image and video generation. In the main interface, you'll find the image option below the prompt window. From there, you can select the model you want. Recently, I've been using Nano Banana Pro. You can adjust resolution, aspect ratio, and choose how many images you want to generate. Personally, I usually generate one image, as current models are advanced enough to produce strong results in a single output. If you are developing a character and want more choice, generating 3 or 4 images can be helpful. You write your prompt here, select the aspect ratio, and choose the output quality, 1K, 2K, or 4K. For example, a 4K image costs 240 credits. Abacus provides 20,000 credits per month, refreshed monthly, which makes it a very cost-effective option, especially for beginners who don't want to commit to expensive platforms immediately. I still use ChatGPT as well. You can also upload your own images and edit them directly. The results are very similar to OpenArt when using the same model. Outputs won't be identical, as AI always generates new variations, but the quality is consistent. Hairstyles may look similar, while facial details will differ unless you control them very precisely. For video generation, Abacus supports several models. I use Kling AI 2.6. A 10-second video costs 700 credits, while a 5-second video costs 350 credits. This means you can generate around 3 videos per 1,000 credits, or use those credits for image generation instead. Some image models are more affordable, giving you flexibility. You'll also notice that version VEO 3.1 is available, but it's very expensive. That's not unique to Abacus. It's costly across all platforms. The quality is excellent, but it consumes credits quickly. Another useful feature is the built-in Topaz upscaler. You can use it directly within Abacus, rather than signing up separately. I usually prefer to upscale after generating images or videos, which is often the most efficient workflow. You can choose your aspect ratio, video length, 5 or 10 seconds, and then simply click Generate. That's all. I won't go through every feature, as I recommend exploring and experimenting yourself. Just remember, image generation is under the Image tab on the right side corner under Dots Video tab. There is also a lip sync feature, although I haven't tested it yet, as my focus is mainly on video generation. Here are a few examples of videos I've created. The quality is very strong. Some results I like more than others, which is completely normal. The output quality is comparable to OpenArt, so this is not a compromise in performance. It's a very good option for beginners or for anyone who wants to experiment and create without pressure. Like any AI tool, it can make mistakes. For example, here's a Santa character where the prompt was misunderstood slightly. However, editing is simple. You can change expressions, locations, and details easily. You can place Santa in a warm interior, decide it doesn't work, and regenerate. The flexibility is excellent. I use Abacus frequently for chat and creative tasks, and when my OpenArt credits run out, I often switch to Abacus until my credits reset. That's it for today. I hope this overview was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to iAI Studio Pro, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.